Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to our brand new channel, Purdy Wood Acres. I'm your host, Gary Phillips. This will be our channel. Uh, where do I start? There's so much to talk about, so much to do. But just in a real quick nutshell, I'm a 35-year police veteran, retired 10 years ago, if you can believe it. And for the past 8 years, I have been helping first responders coping with post-traumatic stress disorder. We've been using my sawmill here on the property as a means of therapy, as a means to get them out here to help them escape from the daily stresses of the job. Help them get into a positive, creative mindset by getting them on the mill and teaching them how to make some lumber from logs and, again, turn some of that lumber into projects. That's going to be the focus, basically, of our channel. It's just to help first responders. But you don't have to be a first responders, because hopefully some of the messages that we can share with you all will help you in your daily stresses, no matter what occupation you have, what you're doing, planning for retirement, just starting retirement, or in, like myself, 10 years into retirement. The whole secret, the message I want to send out is everybody has to have a hobby. You've got to stay busy. You got to keep moving forward, because that's what the body is meant to do, either whether you're working or retired. This idea came to me from a member who has since retired and moved out of the province. He has since bought his own sawmill, but his kind of conversation with me just before Christmas was that some of the members want to come out here, but they just can't, because of distance, situations, circumstances. So, by setting up this channel, we can actually spread the word, share what we're doing with all the people that would like to participate in viewing with us. I welcome everyone who really wishes to join us. If I've earned your like, even on our very first video, if you want to hit that like button and even share it with people that that are going through difficult times, because our whole message here is going to be staying positive, staying creative, and no matter what your situation happens to be, hobbies will save you. I'm a big believer in that. All throughout my police career, I was very heavily into woodworking. I enjoyed woodwork, and I used that for my solace when I was going through my difficult times after years of critical scenes that kind of added up to me. I just needed to reach out for some assistance to kind of get back on my feet, and I used my passion for woodworking to kind of get me through all that. So here we are. I'm 10 years into my retirement, and lo and behold, we have been having an incredible time here on the property. We have 50 acres here. We're just located on the north shore of Nova Scotia, Canada, here by the Northumberland Strait. It's God's country. I'm just going to turn this camera around. Hold on, I'll show you. So we have 50 acres. We go way out to the back, but I'll just kind of pan out real quickly here for you. The shed over there, that's where the wood mill is kept right now because of the winter. If you can believe it, this is winter, January the 15th, and it's 9 degrees out here. So the snow will come eventually. So we really don't saw much in the winter because it is a bit too cold, and it's the enjoyment isn't there when your fingertips are frozen and you can't enjoy what you're doing. And over here was a project that we started 2 summers ago. One of the members came saying, any chance we can maybe start a garden instead of always doing sawmilling? Is there anything else we could do? And we had an EMS worker who had a passion for gardening. So we created a greenhouse for the member to come out here. He used it, started teaching us the joys and giving us tips and tricks on what we could do for our own garden. And lo and behold, it's expanding every year. So that's going to be the focus of this springtime anyways, because we want to start learning more, and we're hoping that some of our viewers can help share some light for us on what to grow with what and how and where. And we have our soil here is clay. So that's one of the stumbling blocks. We got to get the soil amended so it's got more nutrients in it and kind of help grow a bit more productive vegetables. And we've got some apple trees we've just planted. The goal this spring is to get some blueberry bushes in here, raspberry bushes, strawberries, apples, increase the orchard. And again, this is just going to be for self-sufficiency for us and the members. And again, just to have an excuse to get out, have fun, enjoy the outdoors all summer, and share some good times, fellowship, and just enjoy life in a positive, creative state. And we do have wildlife on the property, and harmless. We don't have any pets right now, so They don't harm us. We keep them at a safe distance. But we do have wildlife out here in terms of coyotes and foxes, lots of birds. We have eagles, hawks. It's great. It's just it's nice being out here with nature. So the next video, we're going to be doing one video a week once we get started. I will sit down in my studio and kind of share a bit about my journey, how I started this whole project, why I started it, and what it's done for so many members over the years. So again, just my introductory video to you all. I welcome you. I wish you all the very best for 2026. We all have continued good health and great success in the new year, and here's to new adventures. So thank you for kind of allowing me to get this channel going. I look forward to talking with as many people as possible, and feel free to send any comments or tips or tricks on gardening, apples, proper way to plant the orchard so we don't lose any of the trees we just purchased. And yeah, I would really appreciate any feedback that we can receive. So until the next time, enjoy your day, stay safe, and we'll talk soon. Bye for now.